Hello everyone and welcome back to another Python video. In this video we're going to be going over functions in Python. So a function is a block of code that is executed when it is called, and sometimes, not always, but most of the time you're going to need two things known as arguments and parameters when you're using functions in Python or any other programming language. So information that is sent to the function after compiling the code, that information is known as arguments. But parameters are information that is waiting for the arguments to be sent to it. So basically it's just a slot, and I'll demonstrate that with an example to help you understand. So in this example we're going to be making a function that gives a basic greeting. So to start any function in Python, you need to start with the keyword def, which stands for define. So you're defining a function, and the next thing that you type is what you're going to be naming it. So define hello. And then we need to set the parameters. So say fname, lname, and age. These are the parameters. And then you need to give it a few statements, because this is just the name of the function and this is just the function, and you need to give it a block of code. So the statements, we're going to be using print statements because that's the simplest. Hello, so the reason I'm using commas is because when you use commas you don't really need to add a space, so it makes it a lot easier. So to call the function, let's just say hello to call the function, and then you need to give it parameters. So for the first parameter, or argument, sorry, for the first parameter we're going to be sending an argument, Yusuf, and then my last name, and then my age. Well, I'm 21 now, so you run it and it says hello, and hello Yusuf Al-Hamid, so it greets you. So you can add a little more to it. Print you are, and then you need typecasting, string, age, years old. You are, age, years old. So when you send the argument, which is 21, it'll tell you that you're 21. So run it again. Hello, you are 21 years old. And we can add some more to it. Something simple like, sorry. So that's basically it. You can also you can change the arguments however you want. So hello, and then you can change it to, say, Will Smith. And I don't know how old he is, so we'll just put 40, because that's, I guess he's that old. So hello Will Smith, you are 40 years old, please like and subscribe. So if you learned something new or enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future Python and computer science videos.